What's good, YouTube? It's Mark, the Mercado channel, back with a beautiful, nice video today. It's gorgeous here in Mass. We're getting ready to go. Say what up, babe.
Hi.
We're going to the thrift store. We're going to hit some yard sales up today. We're going to do some yard sailing. We're going to go to the thrift store, see if we can find any good items to sell on eBay. Also, we're going to collect from about 4 boxes today, so we'll get a little bit of that. And we want you guys to come along, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the Mercado Nation, Mercado channel. We'll see you guys at our first stop. Let's go. Got little Miss Maya coming out. Hey, Mai. Ha. Time to get out of here. Gonna see if there's anything good. There's a couple bags there and stuff. This is all on the side, guys. Back of a business. What's that little chair there? A little booster seat for kids?
Yeah.
The
straps are kind of dirty, though.
Yeah.
The only thing is you can't clean them.
Right.
You know what
Yeah. What are we taking so far?
I mean? So this little
Look at that.
storage thing.
We'll take that. That'll sell for $1 or $2 at a tax sale.
Yeah.
That's nice.
For $1, it was
Nice little
$4.
pickup real quick. All right, guys. So we're going to take these water skis, too. I think someone will see value in them.
So what I think what happened is somebody probably had a tag sale.
Yeah.
And around us, a lot of people overprice things.
Yeah, they do.
They probably like really way overpriced these.
And no one bought them.
They bought them, so they see value in them. But we see
This is free to us. This is trash. So we'll just take
whatever
this.
money we can get off of these.
Look at that.
We'll take.
Yeah, throw those in the back of the truck.
We'll do our research anyways.
Found these cleats too in here. These Nike cleats. I'm gonna go home, clean them up, wipe them down, and list these on eBay. So far, we're picking up some nice stuff so far. Dumpster diving. Damn, is it trash day? Yeah. Fuck, we might be fucked today, guys. Excuse my language. Guys, check out the Louis Vuitton bag. It's ripped. I got so excited. It looks like it's real too. It's made in France. Everything, the inside is legit.
It is real, but it's just broken.
It's just broken. Damn. Almost a crazy score. All right, we made it to the thrift store. Let's go check out what they have in the family store.
Hola.
Hello, big boy. Hi, big boy. MJ's clearly ready for the thrift store. Let's see what we can find, guys. I'm so excited. Let's run up in there, see what we can find. I'm hoping we can find some good stuff. I'm trying to list some stuff on eBay today. Beautiful day. Beautiful day.
Well, we got some stuff.
Woo! And we got some stuff dumpster diving. Ah, such a beautiful day. I'll see you guys inside. Let's go. What? Let me see. Oh man, that would have been a good pickup. $3 for those. $3. Under Armour cleats. I'll check these out. All right, so we got this Ralph Lauren polo. We got $7.99. 50% off, right? So it'll be $4. I think this will sell good. All right, guys, so we're back from the thrift store. A long day of dumpster diving. We found some good stuff. First, I got this Columbia jacket, sweater. It's a little dusty. I'm gonna wash it, and then I'm gonna list it on eBay. But it was a free pickup on the side of the road. Haley picked up this nice little thing. I think someone will see value in that at like a yard sale or something. And of course, this is what I got at the thrift store today. Just this. Probably go another day. Everything was like pretty much half off. Certain tags. This was $8. I got it for $4. Ralph Lauren polo. I think I could sell it for double the profit, if not triple. So we'll see what I get out of that. And of course, I got these cleats here. These are Huarache cleats. And I think after I clean them up, I could list these for a good amount. as well on eBay. So it wasn't a bad pickup today. Honestly, it was actually pretty good. I'm not gonna complain. A lot of these items are free. Only thing I spent today was $4 at the thrift store, and it was well worth it because we got a Ralph Lauren polo. Oh, we did get some weather skis as well, some water skis that are in my truck that I did not take out, but we did get some water skis that are free. But this is what we got today. This was the haul, not bad. A bunch of free items. I'm gonna list it and I'm gonna let you guys know how we do on our eBay sales. But that's gonna end the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate you guys so much. Stay safe and get that money, guys. Peace.